Imagine you're walking to work on a completely normal Monday morning. The streets are crowded, traffic is moving, everyone is busy with their own lives. Then suddenly, the ground begins to shake, not because of an earthquake, but because something absolutely massive is walking toward the city. And within seconds, history changes forever. You look up, every person around you stops moving. The birds suddenly disappear from the sky. Even the city becomes silent. Then, through the morning fog, you see something impossible. A creature that should have vanished 66 million years ago. A Tyrannosaurus Rex, standing between skyscrapers, taller than buildings around it. Powerful enough to shake the streets beneath your feet. But here's the real question. Why is it here? And perhaps an even bigger question. Why are we here? Because according to everything we know, humans only got their chance after dinosaurs disappeared. So, what if they never did? Would cities like New York, London, Tokyo ever exist? Or would Earth still belong to giants? To answer that, we need to go back 66 million years to one single moment that changed the history of our planet forever. A giant asteroid racing toward Earth. What if it missed? In our timeline, that asteroid ended nearly 75% of all life on Earth, including almost every non-avian dinosaur. But imagine, it never hit. It flies harmlessly past our planet, disappearing into the darkness of space. No global firestorms, no endless winter, no mass extinction. The forests remain alive, rivers continue flowing, and dinosaurs that continue ruling every continent on Earth. Massive sauropods still roam ancient valleys. Triceratops move across endless grasslands. Packs of velociraptors hunt together with incredible precision, and high above, giant flying reptiles dominate the skies. Earth becomes a planet where dinosaurs never lose control. Millions of years pass, seasons change, continents drift, new species appear, but one thing never changes. Dinosaurs remain the rulers of Earth. Which leads us to one unbelievable question. If dinosaurs never disappeared, what happened to us? Back then, our ancestors weren't powerful hunters. They weren't intelligent enough to build civilizations. They were tiny mammals, hiding underground, trying not to become someone else's dinner. In reality, dinosaurs disappeared, mammals expanded, and eventually humans evolved. But in this alternate world, dinosaurs never leave. So, would mammals ever get that opportunity? Every forest, every mountain, every river is already controlled by predators far larger and far stronger than anything early mammals could ever challenge. Imagine trying to evolve while living in constant fear. Every sound in the forest that could mean death. Every step could be your last. Could intelligence even develop under that kind of pressure? Some scientists believe pressure drives evolution. Others believe survival requires opportunity. If giant dinosaurs controlled every ecosystem, perhaps that opportunity never arrives. Maybe humans still appear, but thousands or even millions of years later, living in isolated valleys, hidden from the world's largest predators. Our ancestors wouldn't become kings of the planet. They would become survivors. Every single day would be a fight just to stay alive. Meanwhile, dinosaurs continue evolving, growing smarter, faster, better adapted. What if one group began developing intelligence, not human intelligence, but something completely different? A new kind of civilization built by creatures that ruled Earth long before we ever existed. And if that happened, humanity wouldn't be Earth's dominant species. We would simply be visitors, sharing a planet with its original rulers. But this is only the beginning, because next we'll discover what modern Earth would actually look like if dinosaurs never disappeared. Imagine looking out across the skyline of a modern city. Only this isn't the world we know. Skyscrapers still reach into the clouds, but beneath them, giants still walk the Earth. Humanity didn't inherit the planet. It learned to survive alongside its original rulers. Roads are no longer designed only for cars. Massive dinosaur crossings stretch across highways. Entire cities stop just to let a herd of triceratops pass. Vehicles are stronger. Buildings are taller. Emergency systems are faster. Every piece of technology has evolved around one simple reality. Dinosaurs are still here. Here, nature always has the right of way. Even schools look different. Children grow up learning not only mathematics and science, but also how to survive in a world where a single mistake could put them face to face with a predator weighing several tons. Every dinosaur is tracked from space. Satellites monitor migrations. AI predicts dangerous encounters. Drones patrol forests. In this world, technology isn't replacing nature. It's trying to keep up with it. Humans never truly conquered Earth. They adapted, just as every species before them had to. Survival was never guaranteed. Farms are protected behind enormous reinforced barriers. Food production depends on keeping giant herbivores away without harming them, because these ancient animals are just as important as humanity itself. Not every encounter ends peacefully. Some predators still see humans as easy prey. Entire rescue teams exist for one purpose: saving lives during dinosaur attacks. Air travel has changed too. Pilots don't just avoid storms anymore. They avoid enormous flying reptiles whose wings can cast shadows across entire runways. Scientists once believed humans would dominate every ecosystem, but in this timeline, line, Earth never belonged to just one species. Evolution never stops. Every generation changes. Every species adapts. And after millions of years, dinosaurs continue changing, just as we do. Some hunting species become smarter. They hunt in coordinated groups. They communicate more effectively. They solve problems faster than anyone expected. Researchers begin noticing something unusual. Certain dinosaur species aren't simply acting on instinct anymore. They're learning. They remember. They teach. They adapt. Behaviors spread from one generation to the next, just like human knowledge. Suddenly, the biggest question is no longer whether dinosaurs survived. It's whether they could eventually become intelligent enough to rival us. Brain scans reveal unexpected patterns. Some dinosaur descendants possess larger cognitive regions than scientists ever imagined possible. Not human intelligence, but something entirely different. Imagine sharing the planet with another intelligent species. Not aliens, not robots, but descendants of creatures that ruled Earth millions of years before us. Every scientific discovery raises another question. If evolution had just a little more time, what would these creatures become? Maybe humanity wouldn't be Earth's greatest achievement. Maybe we'd simply be one intelligent civilization among two. But what happens when two intelligent civilizations share the same planet? Peace, competition, cooperation, or conflict? Because in the final chapter, everything changes. Throughout history, intelligence has never belonged to just one species. Evolution has always rewarded those who learn, adapt, and survive. So what if dinosaurs never stopped evolving? Millions of years pass. Their brains slowly grow larger. Their communication becomes more complex. Hunting turns into strategy, and strategy becomes knowledge. Imagine walking through an ancient jungle, only to realize you're not the one observing them. They're observing you. Scientists begin finding strange patterns. Organized shelters, simple tools, coordinated behavior. Nothing proves civilization, but nothing rules it out either. For the first time in Earth's history, humans may not be the only intelligent species walking this planet. Governments around the world face an impossible question. If another intelligent species exists, do we protect it, study it, or fear it? Military leaders prepare for every possibility. Scientists argue for peace. Conservationists demand protection. Humanity has never faced a decision like this before. Then, something unexpected happens. Instead of attacking the intelligent dinosaurs, simply watch us learning, just as we are learning about them. Years pass. Fear slowly turns into curiosity. Curiosity becomes understanding, and understanding opens a future no one ever imagined. Human scientists and intelligent dinosaurs begin sharing knowledge. Different minds, different evolution, one shared planet. Cities are redesigned. Forests are protected. Migration routes remain untouched. Earth finally becomes a planet shared instead of conquered. Children grow up reading history books that describe two civilizations, one born from mammals, the other from dinosaurs. Space exploration accelerates. Two intelligent species working together, solving problems neither could solve alone. Diseases are cured faster. Technology evolves further. Nature is respected instead of destroyed, because both civilizations depend on the same planet. But perhaps the greatest discovery isn't scientific. It's realizing that intelligence can evolve more than once. Then we remember one tiny moment, one asteroid, one impact, one decision, written by the universe itself and our reality. That asteroid struck Earth. Dinosaurs disappeared. Mammals expanded. Humans rose. Civilization began. But in another universe, the asteroid missed. Dinosaurs survived. History changed forever. And perhaps humans never became the rulers of Earth. Which means every city, every country, every invention, every language, every person alive today exists because of one rock falling from space. So what if dinosaurs never went extinct? Maybe we'd still exist. Maybe we never would. Maybe we'd share this planet with another intelligent civilization. Or maybe we'd still be hiding deep inside ancient forests, waiting for giants to pass. Because sometimes the smallest event creates the biggest future. And perhaps somewhere in another universe, dinosaurs are asking the exact same question. What if humans had never evolved? Welcome to Axiverse. In another universe, this story might already be real. One asteroid, two possible worlds. Then, what do you think? Would humans survive if dinosaurs never went extinct?